Have you noticed that vibrant green powder popping up everywhere lately? It seems like no matter where you scroll, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, someone is showing off a cup of that striking green drink or a dessert dusted with the same colorful powder. It's in creamy lattes, swirled into ice cream, and even baked into gooey brownies. Cafes are offering matcha everything, and bakeries are getting creative with matcha-infused treats. Your friends are posting their morning matcha rituals, snapping photos of their vibrant green drinks, and raving about the clean, sustained energy boost they get. No jitters, no crash. But is this just another fleeting wellness fad? Or is there something deeper behind the matcha craze? Why is everyone suddenly obsessed with this green powder? The truth is, matcha isn't new at all. It's been cherished in Japanese culture for centuries, playing a central role in traditional tea ceremonies and daily rituals. Unlike many trends that come and go, matcha's story is ancient and fascinating. Its appeal goes far beyond just its color. Matcha is incredibly versatile. You can drink it, bake with it, or even cook savory dishes using it. For some, making matcha is a calming morning ritual, a moment of mindfulness before the day begins. For others, it's the perfect pre-workout boost, providing energy and focus without the crash of coffee. And if you love to bake, matcha adds a unique earthy flavor and a pop of color to cakes, cookies, and even pancakes. It's a fun way to experiment in the kitchen. The earthy, slightly sweet flavor might take some getting used to, but many people find it grows on them. Plus, matcha is easy to fit into even the busiest lifestyles. Just whisk, pour, and go. Today, we're going to separate fact from hype. We'll explore what makes matcha so special and why it's become a staple for so many people around the world. We'll dive into the science behind matcha, break down its potential health benefits, and look at what research really says about this superfood. But we'll also talk about the other side, possible side effects, who should be cautious, and why matcha might not be the perfect fit for everyone. My goal isn't to convince you to jump on the matcha bandwagon, but to give you all the information you need to make your own decision. No hype, just facts. So, grab your favorite drink, maybe even a cup of matcha. Get comfortable, and join me as we dive deep into the world of this fascinating green powder. Are you ready to discover if this so-called green magic is right for you? Let's get started and find out together. So, what is matcha? You've probably seen its vibrant green color in lattes, desserts, or even skincare products. But what makes it so special? Matcha is a finely ground powder made from specially cultivated green tea leaves. These leaves are carefully selected and processed to preserve their bright color and unique flavor. Unlike regular green tea, where you simply steep the leaves in hot water and then discard them, with matcha you actually consume the entire leaf in powdered form. This means you're getting all the nutrients the leaf has to offer, not just what's extracted in the water. As a result, matcha delivers a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants, far more than a typical cup of green tea. The secret to matcha's potency lies in its cultivation. The tea plants are shade-grown for about 3 to 4 weeks before harvest. This process increases their chlorophyll levels, giving matcha its signature bright green hue, and boosts the production of L-theanine, an amino acid known for promoting calm focus. That's why matcha isn't just visually stunning, it's also packed with nutrients and has a unique, mellow flavor profile. Preparing matcha is an art form in itself, especially in Japan, where the traditional tea ceremony has been passed down through generations. Every step, from sifting the powder to whisking it into a frothy drink, is done with care and intention. If you think of regular green tea as a simple snapshot of the tea plant, matcha is like experiencing the whole story. You're getting the full spectrum of flavors, nutrients, and benefits. Both matcha and regular green tea come from the same Camellia sinensis plant, but it's the unique cultivation, careful harvesting, and meticulous preparation that set matcha apart and make it truly exceptional. This is why matcha is often called a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with antioxidants like catechins, which help fight free radicals and support overall health. Drinking matcha isn't just about enjoying its vibrant color or earthy taste. It's about embracing whole plant nutrition in every sip and making a mindful choice for your well-being. Understanding these differences helps you truly appreciate what makes matcha unique and why it's cherished by so many around the world. So, when you drink matcha, you're not just having a cup of tea, you're connecting with centuries of tradition, culture, and a concentrated source of health benefits. With every sip, you're experiencing a ritual that energizes the body, calms the mind, and celebrates the art of tea. Matcha is famous for its antioxidants, your body's personal security team. Every day, free radicals attack your cells, causing damage and aging. Antioxidants neutralize these troublemakers, protecting your health. Matcha is loaded with catechins, especially EGCG, which is far more concentrated than in regular green tea. This means matcha gives your body powerful tools to fight cellular damage. Benefits: healthier skin, a stronger immune system, and long-term protection against diseases. Just one bowl of matcha floods your system with these protective compounds. It's a simple, natural way to upgrade your daily routine. While it's not a magic cure, it's a strong ally in keeping your body balanced. Matcha is an easy, effective way to support your health every day. Ever get coffee jitters and a crash? Matcha offers a different kind of energy, calm alertness. The secret is L-theanine, an amino acid boosted by matcha's unique growing process. L-theanine works with caffeine to give you smooth, sustained focus. No jitters, no crash. It's like upgrading your brain's engine for a steady, controlled ride. That's why Zen monks used matcha for meditation and focus. Whether you're working, studying, or creating, matcha helps you get in the zone. It's clean energy that supports your brain, not just jolts it. Matcha's benefits go beyond energy. It's great for your brain, too. Studies show matcha can improve attention, reaction time, and memory. Its antioxidants protect brain cells from stress and inflammation, supporting long-term brain health. While no food prevents disease, matcha is a smart addition for cognitive vitality. Each cup is like a support team for your brain, enhancing performance and resilience. It's a smart choice for both immediate clarity and long-term mental health. Matcha is truly a beverage for your mind. Looking to support your metabolism naturally? Matcha can help. Its EGCG content may gently boost calorie burning and fat oxidation, especially during exercise. Don't expect miracles. Matcha works best with a healthy diet and active lifestyle. It's calorie-free if you skip the sugar and milk, making it a smart swap for high-calorie drinks. Matcha adds benefits and can help you cut empty calories. It's a simple, supportive tool for your health goals. Add it to your routine for a gentle metabolic edge. Ready to try matcha? You don't need fancy tools, just a little creativity. The classic way is a matcha latte. Whisk matcha with hot water. Add your favorite milk and sweeten if you like. Matcha's versatility shines in smoothies. Blend it with banana, spinach, and protein powder for a nutritious boost. Stir it into oatmeal or yogurt for color and flavor. Baking? Add matcha to cookies, muffins, or pancakes for a unique twist. You can even make energy balls with matcha, dates, and nuts. Start with a small amount. Matcha's flavor is strong, and you can always add more. Experiment and find your favorite way to enjoy it. Matcha fits easily into any kitchen routine. It's about making healthy choices delicious and fun. Give it a try and see how it works for you. Let's make matcha easy with a few quick and delicious recipes that anyone can try at home, no matter your skill level. Matcha might seem intimidating at first, but with just a few ingredients and simple steps, you'll be enjoying its vibrant flavor and health benefits in no time. For an iced matcha latte, simply add matcha powder, your favorite sweetener, and a splash of warm water to a jar. Shake it well until the matcha is fully dissolved and frothy. Then, pour Pour it over a glass filled with ice. Top it off with your choice of milk, dairy or plant-based, and give it a gentle stir. It's refreshing, energizing, and perfect for a midday pick-me-up. For a super green smoothie, blend together a frozen banana, a handful of fresh spinach, a scoop of protein powder, a teaspoon of matcha, and a cup of almond milk. Blend until creamy and smooth. This smoothie is not only packed with nutrients, but the matcha adds a gentle boost of energy and a unique earthy flavor. Try no-bake matcha energy bites for a quick snack. In a food processor, combine rolled oats, pitted dates, almond butter, chia seeds, and a spoonful of matcha powder. Blend until the mixture sticks together, then roll into bite-sized balls and chill in the fridge. These bites are perfect for on-the-go snacking or a healthy treat between meals. For a classic hot matcha tea, sift matcha powder into a bowl, add hot but not boiling water, and whisk vigorously with a bamboo whisk until it's frothy and smooth. Pour into your favorite mug and add more hot water to taste. This traditional preparation lets you fully appreciate matcha's delicate flavor and calming aroma. Each of these recipes is simple, quick to prepare, and packed with the natural benefits of matcha, like antioxidants and gentle caffeine. Matcha is incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine, whether you're looking for a drink, a snack, or a nutritious breakfast boost. Start with these basics, then feel free to experiment. Add matcha to your oatmeal, yogurt, or even baked goods for a creative twist. The key is to keep it simple, have fun, and enjoy the process of making something nourishing for yourself. Matcha's unique flavor, vibrant color, and impressive health perks make it a wonderful ingredient to explore and enjoy. Try one of these easy recipes today and see how you like it. Who knows, you might discover a new favorite way to enjoy matcha. Your matcha journey starts right in your own kitchen, so grab your tools and ingredients and let the matcha magic begin. Matcha isn't for everyone, and it's important to know the risks. It contains caffeine, less than coffee, but still enough to matter if you're sensitive or have certain health conditions. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have heart or anxiety issues, consult your doctor before adding matcha. Start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. Quality matters. Since you consume the whole leaf, choose organic, reputable brands to avoid pesticides and heavy metals. Look for companies that test for contaminants and are transparent about their sourcing. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Always seek professional medical advice for your specific health needs. Don't ignore your doctor's guidance because of something you saw online. Your health is personal. Make informed choices. Matcha can be a great addition, but only if it's right for you. Listen to your body and consult experts when in doubt. Safety first, always. We've explored matcha's history, science, and simple ways to enjoy it. It's more than a trend. It's a tradition with real benefits. Remember, health isn't about one magic food, but small, positive choices every day. Maybe that's swapping soda for matcha or adding it to your smoothie. Every step counts toward a healthier you. Keep learning, experimenting, and listening to your body. Health is personal. Find what works for you. If you found this helpful, follow our channel for more evidence-based tips. Share this with someone curious about matcha. Let's build a community that's informed and empowered. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.